making sure that the tools that you're utilizing are cloud-based and that you have mobile capability, and that are agnostic with being able to use any browser from anywhere. It's going to make a huge difference in situations like this and then beyond, because you're going to be able to find the ability to have more freedom of doing your work outside of your office as you're learning how to do these things on the fly.
So there's a lot of great ways you can use our solutions while you're from home, while you're traveling to and from your office, for those of you who still can do that. Mobile, it's never been more important. You can do largely the same tasks you can do in the regular browser. Look at your to-do lists, have all those instructions, close those work orders, add that data. I mean, mobile is so critical, and the ability to access it from the cloud, as well as we have offline capabilities if you hit those dead zones or if you have to go somewhere where you don't have that access. But it's never been more important to use our different mobile solutions than today. Essential versus not essential, or work from home classification of staff. I mean, take advantage of the capabilities of our products, where you can say put a class or a tag on your different users, where you could indicate, I can't remember, is this person essential? Can they go in the building? Have that be right there in your face when you're in the software. When you go to assign that work order, it's right there with you. So this one is maybe on the slightly advanced side. I want you to take this away as a possibility to consider, but it can be really, really helpful. Solid workflow, escalation, and notification, intelligent routing and notification. You have the ability, an example might be if I make a maintenance request, or one of my users makes a maintenance request, and they take the time to pin that to an appropriate asset or location. There's intelligence in our solutions that will take that work order, do things like, I know because of the asset selected, I know the contractor or I know the in-house crew or technician who would normally work on that, have that person automatically be assigned, kick off a notification via email or a chime on their mobile device. Do things like, if it is a COVID-19 work order, have the ability to automatically associate another, you might have a infectious control person who is on your team who needs to be alerted when those work orders get created. There's all kinds of configurable intelligence that you can use to really streamline and optimize how this workflow can go. Again, this is an advanced topic, but as Josh and I keep saying, we're here for you. Our help desk is here for you. If this area is something that you think can benefit you in this phase we're in. Piggybacking on what Josh was saying about the permitting process, and with our SmartGov solutions, again, work from home. It's amazing now how little you actually have to go into your town hall to do things like pull a permit or to find out what is the status of your inspection. Clearly, our government clients are on reduced staff, and they may not be addressing permits and projects right now like they normally would. But you can continue to access and go through this process from home. Your citizens can, and your team, the municipality clients, your staff can continue to look at this work from anywhere because of this amazing thing called the cloud. Another touch on communication and documentation. So you have an opportunity, if you have the time, to go ahead and update from home. You have the opportunity to update your PM tasks, your checklists, add those special instructions, that safety documentation. Put the link to those safety data sheets as opposed to just upload a PDF. So as Josh said, you're always pointing to the latest one. Add those sanitize and PP&E policies, safety instructions to those work orders, because you can do that from your desk. You can also do things like update those drop-down lists. You can update, and if possible, start to think about adding links to your to videos and to documents, to help your team perform those tasks. Update your dashboard with those up-to-date information, because again, you're probably not seeing these people face to face, but they're probably going in the software. Hopefully they are, and they have this right there on the home screen of their mobile device, or right there on the home screen of their dashboard in the core software. Turn this one over to Josh about capitalizing on available time.
Yeah, right now, well, every week we've got ourselves 168 hours to work with, and our 168 changed really dramatically this month. And we're seeing a lot of things in our conversations right now. Many folks are saying, "Hey, I need to look at what I'm doing and see if there's something better that I can be doing, streamline, get more efficient, and look to implement something new that can benefit you when the dust settles from all of this."